Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to return a read receipt now in Gmail on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail and access your inbox. Step 2. Check your emails and look for the message that indicates a sender has requested a read receipt. Step 3. Open the specific message that contains the read receipt request. Step 4. When prompted to send the read receipt, choose the option Send Receipts. By selecting this option, you can return the read receipt immediately. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to return a read receipt now in Gmail on your PC. This feature allows you to promptly acknowledge the sender's request and provide them with the read confirmation they need. Remember, returning a read receipt now ensures effective communication and lets the sender know that you have received and read their message. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.